As a subscriber, you know that I've been cleaning up the Smart Wood Shop. I've been getting rid of a lot of tools and picking up a few new tools. Well, I had to pick up a couple of router bits. It was time. And I got a couple of CMT. And I'm going to tell you scientifically why these are the absolute best router bit you can get. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop. A couple of workbenches, including the Total Station and the Compact Bench. If you want to get a set of plans to build yourself any of these, you can click on the link in the video down below. Okay, so CMT. I've mentioned this brand of router bit before. Now, there's a lot of good solid carbide bits out there, but over my time in using these bits a lot and putting them through their paces, I have just had my best luck with CMT. Now, just to be clear, I am not sponsored by CMT. I bought this bit and all of my CMT bits with my own money. So they're not paying me for this video. They don't even know that I'm making this video. But I want to prove to you scientifically, indisputably, why this is the best router bit you can buy. Notice it's CMT orange tool. The Smart Wood Shop is orange. Enough said. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Have a great day.